Noise pollution. I said noise pollution. I find myself leaning in, not into some social thing, but in other ways. I can't hear half the stuff people are saying here. Big hits washed away in a sea of other noise. Climate change, water, and air pollution get all the noise. But it's the excess decibels that impact my daily choice. I need headphones to have a conversation. Might as well just talk to someone in the same room by Zoom. Now we got cell phones clanging in people's purses and pockets. On any holiday, people shoot off deafening rockets. A damn leaf blower is a loud jet plane. Does a sound system at a hoops game have to be a rock concert? Increasingly, motorists play their car horns just to say hello, but they can't be heard over their car space thumping song. Because if guns get shot off in public by some local nut, and motorcyclists, emergency vehicles and public announcements are painfully loud. Well, I guess so they can be heard amidst the noise from the crowd. Into the vicious volume cycle of society is not happening. Like in a room with no workers, everything gets louder. So if you want to hear this, you better have your headphones on. But not too loud, or what's left of your hearing will soon be gone. Please do your part to reduce the growing noise pollution. Remember,